Tony and si Backer, kailangan niyo makasagot ng 3 sa 4 na categories na ibibigay namin. At ang mga mapapanalunan nila ay mapupunta sa ating mga e-best scholars. Kaya galingan ninyo, ha? Ang pwede lang magpasa ay si DJ Tony. Okay? Ikaw ang magbibigay ng mga... You know already how to play this game.
Yes or no?
No more. You will see a category and you give clues.
Okay, for the category.
So, Tony can guess the category.
Okay.
Is that, did you understand that?
Yes, very good.
And you were talking to Diana earlier. What were you telling her?
I was proposing that my family and your family get fixed marriage.
Hello, Diana.
I have a lot of electric fan and we can start a business.
What business will you put up?
Appliance store.
Yeah, okay. Did you give her any advice?
Well, I told her, do not hurry, love. Just wait for the right Indian to come.
Wow. Magaling magbigay ng napapakinggan ko yan. Okay.
Yung 10,000 kanina na panalunan, mapupunta rin sa AB.
Mga AB na store. What case later? You kiss later, huh?
I am conservative, but okay.
Conservative daw siya, pero okay. Later, we'll do this first, okay? Okay, ready? You have 2 minutes. Go.
Mamaya pagdating nila ng pag-isinan.
Huwag mong basahin.
Okay. This is highest question.
Yeah, you.
Male. It is
You give example.
male and female. Male and female when in a relationship.
Give example.
Example. James Bond and Emily.
Mag-asawa.
Yes. Okay. And then after a while there is
Pass.
Hindi nyo ba pinrip sa mga tao?
Okay. Me. Like
Pumbay.
No.
Mga Pumbay.
No. My arms.
Mga paldo na tao.
No. Continue. Like a carrot.
Sample.
Carrot.
Gulay.
Yes.
Kung nagpipemela ng gulay.
No. Me, I'm a carrot. What do you say about me?
Sino ba ang umbin na rito?
What do you say about me?
Gulay.
Yes. What about me? My arm.
Pass.
Pass.
Siguro nito si Bakit.
Okay. Let us talk about Ortigas. This Shangri-La.
Mall.
Yes. Slick.
Mahilig sa mall.
Okay, continue. What does he do? What does he do there?
Mahilig magdala ng chick sa mall.
Continue. What is there? What is there?
Dami.
Okay, what is that?
No more time.
This is very confusing game.
Yeah, no, you're getting confused na game.
Mga makikita sa mall.
For example, makikita sa mall. Ano makikita mo sa mall?
Slick.
Huh? What?
My friend Slick, always at the mall.
Slick Rick.
Yes.
Always in the mall.
Always in the mall.
How about the other one? Mga pinag-aawayan ng mag-asawa.
I said James Bond and his wife.
Hindi mo nag-aaway yan eh.
You're stupid, man.
Magalit pa na.
Nag-aaway na.
O yung isa, yung madadahong gulay.
I told you my arm and a carrot.
What about yung...
Oh no, I forget.
Kabalahibo.
That's palpon eh.
I forget.
No, madahon is leaves. Leafy vegetable.
Not balbon.
Okay, I forgot.
Repolyo. Cabbage. Okay. Hindi bale.
Anyway, thank you.
Yung 10,000, mapupunta sa e-best scholars natin. Salamat. Sa lahat ng sumala sa Pinoy Henyo. Ayan na. Kiss mo na si Sibanger.
Say goodbye to Chibanger.
Ayan na.
Go.
That's what jackpot round.
DJ Tony and Shibaker, Don Pinoy ating China ng Spain, Active Plus Mental Candy, Ispit Monkey Squad, EQ Dry, at CBO Chinese Star Junction Make.